Good morning and welcome to Burleson, Texas. Beautiful chilly day. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful building behind me, and I can tell you now, it's got some jazz to it, just like we do at American Steel Carports. Let's take a look at what we got going on today. At American Steel Carports, we always want to strive for beauty, and this customer decided to go that route himself. We have a 12 by 26 by 12 tall single item per se with a 8 by 26 by 10 to 9 slope. Now, as you can see, we have the beautiful earth brown with the rawhide trim running around it here. The customer did do a concrete base, which we now, on these here, we have a bracket. As you take a look, we have brackets that come out and attach to the concrete for easy, clean transitioning. We have 2 double pane windows, also with a heavy duty walk-in door that is heavily recommended as always to keep it nice and clean. Now, on all our buildings, we always want to keep it clean in the transition to the concrete. As you can see here, we have the base trim that runs around the building that will extra little bit of help with moisture and critters and stuff like that, and it takes a very nice look to the building. Also, down here, we got the roll-up doors. They pick the roll-up door on the end. They can go on the sides or they can go on the end. Also, we do have the header seal running across here that takes away that light. Now, usually without the header seal, you're going to have a pretty good gap in here, but on this bit in here, no gaps at all. All right, so we have double pane windows here. We offer a variety of windows, but the customer chose a little bit larger window that comes with the screen, and you do have both of them on this side. American Steel normally installs galvanized tubing, but the customer here chose a color, which is fine as well. He picked a sand color that he showed us. It seems to be very nice. Let's take a look on the inside here and see what we got popping. I'm home. Just kidding, I don't live here. All right, so inside here, like I said, it's a fully enclosed 12 by 26 by 12. We do have a vent up top, and I can tell you now, that's gonna help you in the winter time because when it gets cold to hot, that is gonna regulate your air inside. In here, we have vertical siding. So as you can tell, we have girts running all the way around the building. That's where we put the sheet metal to the actual tubing. On the inside here as well, you can see our windows. You can also see that he has some stuff in here, a lot of space for knickknacks and little shelves and stuff like that. This is Brandon signing out with American Steel Carports. I hope you enjoyed this beautiful building we went through today. I'd like to thank our customer for letting us take a tour of this. If you have any questions, check us out on AmericanSteelCarportsInc.com. My name is Brandon, and I'm out. Thank you.